Hello honey, welcome back. Has Kylie Cosmetics single-handedly brought back the creative girl makeup, or did it never go anywhere to begin with? Let's find out. Hello, back again with another weekly video. It's not a weekly video, I make like multiple videos a week, so whatever number this is this week. I'm sorry, but what is this about? Kylie Jenner has brought back 2016 makeup? It never went anywhere. The creative girlies, the colourful girlies have always been here. You lot just wanted to go on a new adventure with your clean girl aesthetic. We weren't joining. We have always been here. We have remained in the same place. With that being said, she has definitely reignited everyone's love and the passion that they had for the 2016 makeup era with her new collection. So the shades in this palette scream colour. They're not giving clean girl, and I love that. I don't want to see any clean girl makeup. I am so tired of it. When I say I'm so tired of it, I mean I could literally happily go the rest of my life never seeing anyone with this clean girl makeup look again. Very happily. I'm all for people doing the makeup how they want to do it and feeling good about themselves however they want to look, but it killed the creativity in everyone so quickly. And I hate that. I hate it. I hated it. That's when Instagram started to really change. Everyone were more interested in soft glam and clean girl aesthetics, and nobody, there wasn't a colour to be seen for fucking miles. I never want to experience that again. It was like a ghost town. It was like everyone's creativity and passion had just died. Gone. It were... I know it sounds really dramatic to say, but it really had a massive effect on me, like just seeing everyone stop doing what they were doing. There were no inspiration there were no experimenting with different styles and colours and techniques. It all went. Also, everyone thought, because it's been about 5 years since then and we are back, honey. Everyone is wanting to rediscover their love for colours and different ways to do the makeup. More people are discovering or rediscovering their avant-garde side of makeup, where they're actually wanting to try different things. And that is what I'm about. I don't want to use the same products every single day. I would be so bored. I need to switch it up. I need to do colourful creative makeup looks. I need to use foam clay on my face. I need to use special effects makeup. And more importantly, I need to see other people doing that too. I need that inspiration. I crave it. It is like a dopamine fix for my brain. So I will say thank you to Kylie for reigniting that flame. But we've still got a long way to go. I really want things to be like they were in around 2016 to 18 time. I think it was just perfect then. It was such a colourful and inspiring time to be on Instagram specifically. YouTube, I am not sure because I've only just started that this year, but I'd imagine pretty much the same too. But then we went through that massive stage of just, it's like everyone lost the passion for it. No one wanted to do creative looks anymore because everyone who was going in to get the makeup done from professional makeup artists were asking for clean girl makeup, soft glam makeup, all them kinds of things. And even the makeup artists were getting bored. They were like, hey, I want to see some colour. Can you book in for some colour? Some colourful, damn bright cut creases. None of this clean girl shit. So hopefully now this is the start of our colourful journey, because I have high hopes for this new collection from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm that excited about it, about the possibility of colourful creative makeup coming back into fashion, that I'm actually considering buying that whole collection. And I have never bought anything Kylie Cosmetics before. I've tried a couple of samples or testers at Boots. I'm really funny with testers though, so I didn't use, I can't remember what it was. It was something that, it was like a, I believe it was something like a cream. I can't actually remember what it was, but I haven't tried Kylie Cosmetics properly is what I'm trying to say. By the way, this is not highlight here. It is setting spray. It's a P. Louise orange setting spray. Like, How beautiful. The finish is just amazing. So let's pull up the Kylie Cosmetics website so we can have a proper look at the whole collection. Okay, so it's now out of stock. I expected it to be out of stock because I bet everyone lost a shit over this. So first we have this palette which has 10 different shades, and she's very much stuck to that teal and pink colour scheme that we know from that part of Kylie's development, shall we say. We have the shades 2014, Rose Gold, Sugar Mint, Denim Blue, Ombre, which is obviously a little nod to her teal ombre hair that she rocked back then. 2015, Kylie Blue, Kai Majesty, Natural Brunette, and hashtag King Kylie. Kai Majesty is a bit of a funny... I don't know. I don't know what I think of that name. Like, it's a bit of an odd shade name, but the rest of them, yeah, they're, you know, standard for Kylie. See, I don't know, like, the photo of the eyeshadow palette when I first looked at it, it looked like very 2016, but looking at the individual shades there, that isn't screaming 2016 at all to me. That is just, I feel like it's a very toned down, subtle version. They're not as bright and bold and creativity filled as I thought they'd be. But then again, even in 2016, Kylie was never too editorial. She was never too creative with what she brought out or wore. Yes, in comparison to her sisters and her family, she was very, very alternative, Tumblr aesthetic. But even then, she wasn't too creative. She wasn't too out there with her makeup, and maybe that's because she's in the spotlight and she's such a massive public figure, so if she were to wear more creative looks or extreme kind of makeup, people probably would have a lot to say, because unfortunately, especially when you're a celebrity, everyone has something to say and it's not usually great. The next product in her collection is the loose powder highlighter in the shade 3 Strikes. I'm intrigued. I definitely think I have to buy this just because I'm wondering how it is on different skin tones. I feel like I want to buy it and test it on me, my mum and my dad, because we're all 3 different skin tones. My dad is Indian, so he has a deep skin tone. My mum is white, so she has a lighter complexion, and I'm in the middle, so I have a medium skin tone. Looking at this photo of the highlighter, I just don't know how it's going to look on a deeper skin tone. I'm hoping because it's a loose powder highlighter, it's not going to have that ashy white base that some tend to have. But who knows? Who knows with Kylie Cosmetics? I'm not sure how great she is for inclusivity, but time will tell. Moving on to the matte lip kits, she has 4 different lip kits. I feel the first 2 are definitely more for lighter complexions. The second one actually, Kylie Jenner Lips, that kind of looks like it might be nice for medium to deeper skin tones too. And the last 2 are amazing. They look really just up my street. So we've got A Decade, Kylie Jenner Lips, True Brown K, and Dead of Night. True Brown K is definitely calling my name. I absolutely love that combo. And next we have the Supple Kiss Lip Glazes. There are 3 shades for this. We have Like, Literally, and She's Back, which to me personally, them 3 shade names are Kylie all over. So I'm just going to read the details out that are listed on the website. Create bold, nostalgic looks with my King Kylie full collection bundle. Featuring every item and shade in the limited edition collection, this bundle includes the eyeshadow palette that was inspired by my memorable hair moments, matte lip kit with new and fan fave shades from the era, Supple Kiss lip glaze in 3 new shades, including 2 reminiscent of my first ever glosses, loose powder highlighter inspired by the original 2017 highlighter, and a new ultra soft highlighter brush. So I don't remember actually seeing a highlighter in 2017, but that gives me hope that they are it is catered to all skin tones, because surely I would have heard something about it not being inclusive for all tones back then. So I have high hopes. I am going to remain positive about that one. So to buy these all separately, they are all in stock apart from the Dead of Night matte lip kit, which is out of stock. It doesn't tell me how much the full collection is because it's out of stock at the moment, so I think I might wait to see when it comes back in stock how much it's going to be, and I will judge from then whether I'll get the full collection or just a few items to do a review of. But I think I'm going to go with that option. I probably will just buy the highlighter and a lip kit and one of the glosses. The eyeshadow palette just isn't screaming anything to me. It's not grabbing my attention. The photo does, but then I've seen the swatches and I just think, without sounding too harsh, it's very boring to me. I feel like it's a massive missed opportunity. She could have done so much with that palette. But at the same time, that palette she has released is very her, but I don't feel like it's enough to bring back what we need to bring back. Whilst I think it's important for brands to start making a comeback with the creative makeup and the products that are going to reignite that creative spark in everyone, there are so many brands out there still that have not strayed. They have continued to make products for us creative girls. Colourpop, Flower Nose, Danessa Myricks, Pat McGrath. There are so many that have kept their purpose clear, their message strong. That creativity has no limits. Whatever you want to do with your makeup is up to you. It is your art form. No one can come in and tell you what to do with your face. Huh? I wouldn't even have someone trying to tell me what to do with my makeup. Whether it's good, whether it's bad. That is your opinion. If I like it, that is all that matters to me. If you like your makeup, that is all that matters. We don't need these big trends that come in and take over everything and try to tell you that you're doing your makeup the wrong way, that it's all about clean girl makeup, it's all about soft glam. No, it isn't. Makeup is an art form. It is a way to express your creativity. Yes, there's right and wrong ways of doing certain things, but at the end of it all, the only thing that matters is that you are having fun and you love what you have done. That is it. You don't have to answer to anybody. Tell them, bye Felicia. My face, my rules, my preferences. I will do what I'm gonna do. Mwah! Like, seriously, when I think of 2016 makeup, I think of the Lorac Pro Artistry book. I think of Made by Mitchell. I think of all these colourful palettes with so many beautiful shades, glitter, shades perfect for cut creases, big exaggerated eye makeup, very technical, creative cut crease eye makeup, not all this clean girl shit. It reminds me of school almost, like everyone looks the same. It's like everyone is in this uniform of clean girl makeup, soft glam, and it's so boring. The world was not made to be boring. Everyone was made to be unique and individual, and everyone should be able to express their own style through makeup, through the things they wear, through the way they accessorise, through the way they talk, through the way they act, through the way they walk. Who wants to see the same person everywhere they walk? No one. I would feel like I'm in a mental institution. I would hate that. But it just seems like at the moment, the clean girl, soft glam girls' voices are louder. We, as a creative makeup category, group, need to scream it from the rooftops. We are not done with creative makeup. We are not over it. What we are over is clean girl, soft glam, boring makeup. And yes, I'm going to say it's boring because it's boring. I don't feel the same dopamine release that I get from doing creative makeup when I do something soft glam. I don't get the same excitement. I don't look at my face when I'm done and think, oh, wow. I feel like I should be going into the office to do an office job, which of course there's nothing wrong with, but me personally, I crave and need creativity. It's just that simple. So I hope with the release of the King Kylie collection, this is going to reignite the flame in everyone. I hope Instagram sorts its shit out, the algorithm, and everyone gets that spark back, gets back to doing what they love to do, because I have seen so many creators just stop their Instagram page, just completely abandon ship. And it actually makes me sad. Like, I'll scroll through someone's page that I follow and they haven't posted since like the end of 2021. And they were all so talented as well. They're all so talented, and I feel like it's such a waste. It's such, unless it's what they want to do and they, you know, they just didn't, the heart wasn't in it anymore. But I don't feel that's the case. I think times changed, people changed, the Instagram algorithm in turn changed, and they weren't seeing the benefits of their hard work, which is sad. And again, that's another thing I hope is reignited with hopefully the comeback of creative makeup, even though we never went anywhere. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you. Bye. Mwah.